My first thought in the morning is usually caffeine and then make a coffee, have a cigarette, and then get to work. Being at sea and working offshore when you're living on the boat, it's freedom in some way. There's nothing around you. You know, you look outside and it's just water everywhere, maybe some turbines, hopefully. It's quite freeing in its own way. I like, I think, all parts of my job. You get to travel a lot, you get to meet a lot of people, you have a big responsibility. Of course, you have the guys in the office doing all the planning and making things run smoothly from their end. But when you're out in the field, all eyes are on you. You have to make sure that the project runs well and everyone is being productive, efficient, keeping to the standards, keeping safe, and of course that everyone is having a good time and enjoying what they do. That's when everyone is the most efficient. But yeah, it's wonderful. I like it. It's a good time.